Welcome to Prolific Forex. You can actually learn how to trade the Forex market right here. This is a platform where we raise a generation of good Forex traders to change their world. Now, please, if you're new to my channel, you can just click on the subscribe button and click on your notification bell. You can also like, comment, and share to your friends. On our previous lecture, we talked about what is Forex, what is traded in Forex, and how can I trade and make money through the Forex market. And I remember telling you guys that you can actually predict the Forex market by the help of a Forex chart. Now, this is a Forex chart right here. There's a Forex chart right here, and you can help predict the market through this Forex chart. Now, for this one, I'll be teaching you about resistance and support. In today's lecture, we'll be learning about basic resistance and support price level in Forex. The Forex chart is made up of candlesticks. Now you have your bullish candlesticks, which forms upward from your support level, and you have your bearish candlesticks, which form downwards from your resistance level. Resistance and support zones. Your resistance zone is usually found at the top, and your support zone is usually found at the bottom. These are price rejection zones caused by some factors. Now, as a forex trader, you can either predict the market to go upwards from your support zone or predict the market to come downwards from your resistance zone. The resistant rejection zone is caused by too many sellers at the resistant level that forces the price level to be pushed downwards, and the support rejection zone is caused by too many buyers at the support price level that forces the market to be pushed upwards. As a forex trader, you can either buy or sell in the forex market. And when you're buying, you're saying that the market is going upwards. When you're selling, you're saying the market is going to come downwards. You normally buy at your support level and you sell at your resistance level. Next, I'm going to talk about your trend pattern, your up and down trend patterns. In Forex, there are two types of trend patterns. You have your uptrend, which is your bullish trend, and we have a downtrend, which is the bearish trend. Now, why I brought this up is because for your two trend patterns, you also have your trending resistance and your trending support for these trend patterns. A bullish trend is a type of trend that moves from your support level upwards, which means a bullish trend moves upwards from the support level. A bearish trend, on the other hand, is a trend that moves downwards from your resistant level. It moves from the resistant level downwards. Now, before I move to the next one, please, if you are new to my channel, please kindly do well to click on the subscribe button and also click on the notification icon so when I drop a new video, you will be notified. Now, this is your forex chart, and like I said, I'll be teaching you about resistance and support today. I'll try as much as possible to be quick about this and to simplify it. So I want to teach you how to note your key resistance and support zone. This is your gold USD market, and when you touch your screen once, you see by your left your different time frames. I know for most of us, we're new in here, and we don't know how to navigate this. Now, I'm using my cell phone just in case there are some people that are using their cell phone to trade. So I'll make another lecture on how to use the tools you're seeing right here to navigate your forex market. I will also do another video on how to use your laptop to trade. So diving straight in, how I want to identify my key support and resistance zone. What I have to do is, you can zoom in and out of your trade, your trading charts. Now if I want to zoom in so I could see the real candlestick formations, like this hammerhead right here and this shooting star right here, all I have to do is zoom in. Now you hold your screen and you zoom, you hold your screen and you spread it out so it will zoom in. But you want to zoom out, so you'll be able to see, to get a broader picture of your entire chart. You understand? Because this will help you um, um, identify easily the key resistance and support zone, as opposed to you zooming in. You won't be able to do that quite clearly. You understand? But you can use it to identify your trend. Now I'm zooming out so I could see the chart properly. Now, what you want to do is, you're looking for rejection zones. What are rejection zones? Rejection zones are, Forex moves in a kind of like a wave-like manner. A wave-like manner. It goes up and down, up and down. Now, there are some things, some factors that makes it go up and down, and we call it price rejection zones. Now if you notice, when the price got to this level right here, it's rejected and it came all the way down here. Now it started going up again to this point. Now if you want to draw your resistance, two times rejection is enough for you to identify that this place is either a resistance or a support level. What goes on for the resistance is the same principle you apply for your support level. Our resistance is always on top, like you've seen earlier. Resistance is always at the top and support is always at the bottom. Now going straight to draw it, I have an option to use a thin line to draw it. Now if I want to trace back in history, once I put this line and put this line right here, it's going all the way back to infinity. Like it's going all the way back. You understand? It's going all the way back. It's going all the way back, as you can see. Let me take it down a little. It will go all the way back. You understand? You can still bring it down so you see. So now I identified my key resistance level. Now you can either use this line or you can use this one right here. Sorry, I think I have to set it. You can use this one right here, fill it out, and Okay, I think I'm done. Yeah, you can use this one right here because it's actually a zone. That's the reason why I'm using it. It's not supposed to be just a point. It's supposed to be a zone. That's why I would call it resistance and support zone. Now that's for my resistance zones. Going straight to my support zones. Now, if you note, sorry, before I draw this, if you note, you will see the market testing this point once before, two, three, four, and it's about to come down again. Now you can pick this point right here as your support because of the number of times it has tested. Now let me take it back. This support you're seeing is currently a support, but before now it wasn't a support level. It was a resistance zone. What you're seeing now as a support was formerly a resistance zone. Now I'll teach you about breakouts and retest on as we proceed, but for now I just want to show you about support and resistance. Now this is your support level, and this is your resistance. Now what some traders will just do is they'll wait for it to get to this resistant and they will look for a candlestick confirmation, probably on your 4 hour time frame. Hmm? On your 4 hour time frame, and when they get that reversal confirmation, they will dive right in and they'll sell the market. Some can take your profit right here, some can take right here, and some will wait for it to get to the support level and give them probably a reversal sign before they'll take their profit, or some can take it right here. Some forex traders just basically trade support and resistance, and you are selling right from this point down to this point. You would have made a lot of profit doing swing trading. Now some persons can also buy from the support level right here and buy all the way to the top and sell. Some will sell right there. You see, some persons can also take the opportunity of buying from this point and either selling right here or at the top or close to the top. So that is you identifying how to draw your support and resistance. Basically that's for newbies, that's for newbies in the forex market. This is a part one. Actually, I will do as we proceed, I will unveil how to actually identify this in an advanced way more and more. But this is just a basic way. Now, you also saw your trend resistance and support I talked about earlier. This trend resistance and support, you can use your slanting line right here. You can use this one. That's this. Sorry. Yeah, that's for the resistance. You can also come and draw for your support. You can draw for your support. Now this one is for the support. You see, because of the number of tests, it is making your higher highs and your higher lows. You can also do this on your 4-hour time frame. Now, when you zoom out, you see what I'm talking about. You see, that's a trend. Inside this trend, you can also pick another trend. It's as easy as that. Now, I've just spotted a downtrend. You see, okay, that's your resistance, and this is your support. Sorry, sorry. That's your resistance, and this is your support line I'm trying to draw right now. Yeah, that's pretty much it. So you see, before a breakout, and that's just how it is. That's just how it is. Now this is for a downtrend. You can also go to your 4-hour time frame and probably pick on a trend. Pick on a trend. You know, to practice, you draw from the top because you identified your higher highs and your higher lows and your lower highs and lower lows, which I'm going to teach you on another video, but I'm just telling you that there is something. I'm just making you be aware, creating an awareness that there is something called resistance and support in Forex, and people can actually trade with it. Now, this is for your downtrend. When I teach you up to the point that it is getting advanced, you can draw a zone. See, I can make this a zone. But for now, I don't want to bore you with this to get it complicated. But as we advance, I'm going to show you how to do these things. Now, on the next video, I'm going to show you how to use these tools right here to draw your resistance, your support, your trend lines, and all of that. I'm going to show you how to use them. I just want you to be aware that there is something called resistance and support in the Forex market, and I've been able to show you how to draw your resistance and support. This is your 1-hour time frame. This is how it looks like on your 1-hour time frame. You see, each time the market comes, hits the resistance, it goes down. Each time it hits the support, it goes up. You understand? So that's just basically it. So on the next one, I'm going to teach you how to use your tools. Then thereafter, we're going to proceed to something else. Thank you. Please like my video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that whenever I post things like this, you'll be able to get notified. Also, you can drop your comment down below so I will know what you actually need me to do a lecture on next time. So thank you very much for your time.